Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And always remember, to protect your rights, please record video while unboxing. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from Buy and Ship, our trusty partner in consolidated shipping. And one thing I really noticed when I got this package is this sticker that you have to record the video while unboxing to protect your rights, I guess, for any claims and whatnot. But from my experience personally, Buy and Ship has been really effective and trustworthy with my consolidated packages. But nonetheless, it's going to our channel anyway, so it's going to be recorded. This particular package is a mix lot. I think it consolidates like six items coming from multiple locations. So I hope it's all here. Don't worry, as I said, we are going to put it or have it all in video, raw, unfiltered, and authentic. So I'm recording this video first couple of weeks of January. So far the year 2026 has been good. And every time you go back from vacation, it's a bit you have to readjust, reorient yourself, and that's what's happening at work. But in terms of Heroclix, everything's been good because things are getting to me. Okay, and you can see here, there's some boosters here and a lot of products. Okay, so how do we do it? We put it higher, okay, and then we go one booster at a time. So this is most likely from the auction booster number 11. I won it from during the 11-14 auction. So it was still X-Men for that particular week. I can't remember what I pulled. So let's see. We have Beast, we have Prime Sentinel, we have a Blue Dino, which we want, we have a Wolverine, which we also want because we sold our copy, and a rare Executioner. Okay, rare Executioner. I think this one is our copy because we've sold our initial copies of Executioner, so that one is for keeps. We go with the second booster number 19 from that week as well. If I'm not mistaken, this week I only won 3 here. So let's see. We have Cyclops. We have another Executioner. So this one is for sale, definitely. We have Lich. We have Wolverine, Mask Off, and Gambo. Okay. So this one is for sale or for trade. I don't think I have a rare that I need because all I need is, I think, alternate cards and chases for the set. And the last booster, it's getting back to me. This should have a rare that I don't have yet. Cyclops, Wolverine, Forge rare, Prince of Humanity, with and without the blaster. So the Forge is, I don't have him yet. So this is definitely for keeps. And that should wrap up my rare needs for the set. Okay, so I will try to complete all the X-Men, but let's see. Okay, I do have other things here. I can see the Scarlet Witch, zombie Scarlet Witch. This one I got from J Major, if I'm not mistaken, from eBay. So aside from Scarlet Witch, there should be a couple more LEs. We have here the Hawkeye on Sky Cycle. Okay, we have the Aquaman Atlantean Ally. Okay, probably separate videos for those. We have Katana, And we have Daredevil and Elektra. Okay, so which is nice because I'm going to be using these things as pricing for our event here in the Philippines. The Pinoy Heroclix anniversary is coming up, so expect to see. This one is for keeps, Aquaman is for keeps, but the others expect to see them as prices. Okay, so I also tend to buy good deals in the internet so that I can reuse them as pricing. Okay, the next one I immediately see are a couple of Phoenix stores. This is from the Wizkid store. Okay, so there's a limit of 2 per participant. Okay, so Phoenix store, this was the first batch, I think. So that 2 of them is already for me. One is for me, and I think one will be for Heinz. And then Phoenix Force as well, 2 of them, one for me and one for Heinz. So this already has owners. Okay. And then they reopened it. WizKids reopened that package. By the way, those package came with a promo Krampus and Gingerbread Man. So this will probably go towards our brick and pricing. And then they reopened the purchase of the Phoenix. So I bought 2 more Phoenix 4 store. So this would be for pricing or for sell or trade. Okay, 2 more extra. Okay, good. The sculpt of this is really amazing. And I also bought them because it came with 2 LEs that I don't have yet. Okay, which is the Jack Frost. This is Jack Frost and the Elf. Okay, so I like to collect Heroclix figures that are Christmas themed. So this is definitely a welcome addition. Probably a separate unboxing during Christmas time. Okay, so there is also an envelope here. Okay, from Victor Muller. Okay, and envelopes like this should most likely contain cards, and this one contains a card. Contains. Okay, and there you go. I almost ripped it off. Oh my god. This contains the the alternate card for Beast. Okay, so which is really good. I need him just in case I pull or get Wolverine Lord of Vampires, which is most likely because I collect all Wolverines. So I needed that. Ooh. Oh no. We have here a super rare magic, but we don't have the figure. Okay, so it's not $75, but I don't have the figure for the super rare magic. Okay, it's not here. And then the last item that I have is a piece of paper and a card. Okay, a map, Motendo Outdoor. Okay, and a Beast LE and a card, Omega level threat detected. This is the release day Beast, which I don't have. So this nicely wraps up my collection for the X-Men main set. And yeah, there's no magic. Okay. So good thing I recorded the video so that I can show it to I don't know if I can claim one, because usually if it's consolidation, it goes through different channels. Oh, maybe it's here. Maybe it's here. And it's not here. Okay, I'll double check all the trash. But for now, we will wrap up this video. And again, thank you very much. I hope you guys have fun and more clicks in 2026. No magic. Bye bye.